I get this question all the time. Devin, what is the simplest way to turn one broad YouTube topic into 5 production-friendly video angles? The easiest way is to stop thinking in ideas and start thinking in viewer questions. I use a simple 1 to 5 angle map. Step 1, write the core topic. Here, it's YouTube automation basics. Step 2, write the single promise behind that topic. Something like, help a beginner understand how YouTube automation actually works. Step 3, force that same promise through 5 repeatable angles. 1, definition, what it is. 2, setup, how to start. 3, tools, what you need. 4, mistakes, what to avoid. 5, decision, which version is right for you. So from one topic, you get, what is YouTube automation? How do beginners start YouTube automation? What tools do you actually need? What beginner mistakes kill these channels? And is YouTube automation the right model for you? That gives you 5 videos that feel different, but are still easy to batch because the research overlaps. In Satura, this is exactly where a reusable research and script template saves time. My decision rule is simple. If each angle answers a different question from the same type of viewer, it's a real expansion. If 2 titles would lead to the same script, it's not a new angle. End there.